Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have an unboxing video for you guys, which is the YESSTYLE INSSAKIT, hopefully I'm saying it right, INSSAKIT box, which has just released this week, and I do have a giveaway for you guys where two of you guys can actually win this box, so just stay tuned to the end. Basically, with this whole concept from YESSTYLE is that they try to bring this box because of, you know, the whole lockdown. You can't go travel in Korea, but they want to bring Korea to you. So in this box there's 5 beauty items and 5 non-beauty items that relates to Korea and what you would expect to have in Korea, which I thought was a really cool concept. Now this one, it is retail for $74.90 USD, but it is worth up to $170 of stuff inside here, which I thought was a really good deal. Now with this one, we're gonna open it up now, but come on, like, look at this packaging. This is so adorable. Like, I just love how animated this is and so much thought they put into this. Like, I mean, it says spring edition, playlist, you know, like Insta scoop, which you can use as hashtag, search YESSTYLE.com, search INSSAKIT. It has everything, and I love the cherry blossom on the side and also YESSTYLE on the back as well. So when you open this box up, it looks like this. I haven't really touched a lot of the stuff, so this is how it looks like. And again, it says here, INSSA means insider in translation with the English word, a person belonging to an admired group who has special knowledge and influence. So yeah, pretty cool. And then so the bubble wrap here has the 5 beauty related items, which I'll show you guys first. So the first one is this product here, which is the Snail Truecica Miracle Repair Air Starter Kit by the brand Sewn by Me. Sewn by Me is very known for their acne prone and sensitive product, which is great. So this one has 4 steps to it. So it has a cleanser, a toner, a serum, and a cream all in one. And I feel like this is great for like travel. So I don't think I'll be using it now because, I mean, I don't know when I'm gonna travel next, but I'm gonna leave it for when I do travel. But this is how it looks like. It is such a perfect kit. So yeah, definitely a great starter kit if you want to know more about Korean skincare. I feel like this is great because this is 4-in-1. And then it has this mask here, which is the 2-step Ggulba mask, and it has banana and honey. So I'm really fascinated to try this because I don't know if it smells like banana or it smells like honey or it just smells like both. So look at that, it has like banana inside. This one also comes in 5 sheets. I have this VT Cosmetics collaboration with BTS. This is their eyeshadow twin set, so it has 2 colors, and I got mine in number 3, so it does come in random colors if you do get this. So it has this top shimmery beige on the top, and then at the bottom it has this dark brown is it rose gold shade as well, and it comes with a little mirror, which is cute. I have tried this before, and this is definitely like a cream texture. I like using this more so like a base, like a primer, and then put another eyeshadow on top because this one does glide off easily, so just be mindful of that. And then I also got this lipstick, and this is by the brand Peach C. And this one is the Easy Matte Lipstick in the shade Spring Coral, which I have on the side here. Like, look how beautiful this gradient is. I don't think this is... this is magnetic, because I felt like how heavy this is. And then the color is beautiful as well, which is perfect for spring. The last product is this highlighter here, which is the YVYD Studio Chic Flash Highlighter in the shade number 3 Gold Play. And I have it right here because I just use it, and it's a beautiful gold shimmery highlighter. This packaging looks so buzzy, guys, look at that. And this is actually a really heavy highlighter, like it feels really heavy, but I mean, look at that thunder, that lightning strike inside as well, which is beautiful. So those are the 5 beauty related items, and then when you get to the bottom, these are the 5 non-beauty items. First one is actually this really cute bag, which I've already taken out to use, and this is how it looks like. It has a pocket that looks like a jeans pocket and a cute bunny at the front, and then This is obviously fabric, but this is such a kawaii bag. And then I'm sure you guys will be excited for this one. This is the BTS collaboration contact lens case. I haven't opened this up yet because apparently it also comes with a random card, and so when you open it up, it just comes like this. Look at that. And then I don't think this, yeah, this one is not a reflective one compared to the one that I have, but this is how it looks like. And then it has the tweezer inside, and I think the tweezer came off, oops. And then just a contact lens case inside, which I think is really cute. This is definitely great for travel. And then this one is so buzzy. This is the Apeach Easy Hair Dry Brush, and apparently this can also work like a hair straightener. So I just open it up, so you just clamp your hair in, and then as you blow dry your hair, it helps straighten the hair out as well. I mean, this is such a cool concept, so I'm gonna give this a try because I don't often blow my hair, because every time I blow my hair it just goes all puffy, and I do have scalp eczema, so I try to prevent doing blow drying, and I do more air dry, but I do want to blow dry now just to give it a try to see whether it does straighten, to reduce that frizziness that I have as well. It comes with this snack as well, which I thought was pretty cool, and this is the CALOBYE multi-protein savory Dried-Pollack snack, and this is a spicy flavor, and this one apparently is a healthy snack and is oil-free yet crispy, chewy and savory and high in protein. So yeah, definitely keen to eat this when I watch my drama. The last thing it comes is with this really cute sleeping eye mask. This one is features the Kakao character. So yeah, I think this is really cute, and this looks so puffy as well. So I've been really into using eye mask for sleep lately. I've been using the heating mask, but I will give this a try once I finish my heating mask out, just because, I don't know, it gives me a better sleep somehow. Not sure why, and the character is Apeach. Those are the items in the box. So like I said, this is also a giveaway, and I'll be choosing 2 winners, and so it is really easy to follow the guidelines. Number 1, you would have to subscribe to my channel. Number 2, you would have to follow the YESSTYLE Instagram and also my Instagram, which I'll put down below and here for you guys as well. And number 3, comment down below which items you are interested in trying or you think will be your favorite from this particular Inside Kit box, and also comment down below along that sentence your Instagram account username as well, because from there I'll be contacting 2 of you guys. Unfortunately, this giveaway is only available for you guys if you guys live in the US, France, Australia and Canada. So yeah, and the giveaway, I'm gonna leave this for 1 week, and I'll put the date and the time frame of when this will end, and then from there I'll contact you guys. So yeah, good luck you guys, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.